Oh, hello. The title. When in doubt, don't shout. Just walk away. That even goes for us. See, we actually interview every single contractor face to face. And when you meet one that's going to possibly work on your house or provide you a bid, and you start talking to them, and you start kind of getting maybe not the best warm and fuzzy feeling, but you want to, you know, have the benefit of the doubt and hear this person out and find out what they might suggest or want to provide for you. It's okay to listen out, but if you start to get that feeling based on some of the questions, that they might be confrontational or somewhat aggressive maybe, or just not that good of a communicator, just walk away. You don't have to sign anything. Don't feel pressured to do anything. If they come up with some great deal that's only good for right now, that's a huge red flag. Walk. There's no point. Save yourself the trouble and headache. Yeah, you might have to spend an extra 15, 20 minutes, an hour, 2 hours to get a new contractor or find somebody else. But you don't want to go through the pain and hassle of having somebody that you kind of felt at the beginning but weren't sure, wanted to give somebody the benefit of the doubt that, hey, they might work out. And they might. They absolutely might. But there's probably a greater chance that there's going to be a problem down the road with dealing with that person. If you have a problem on the job, if you have, something that goes awry, or they don't meet your expectations, or you don't meet their expectations, there might be just that boom, boom button of the heads. So, when in doubt, don't shout. Just walk away. It's as simple as that. So my name is Sam with Hocoa, your home repair network. We are San Diego's #1 live and local home repair network. And feel free to call us or text us anytime that you need any help with anything. Our number is 760-720-7474. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and we just want to give you that little contractor tip for the day. Have a good one.